This video is about partial fraction decomposition. Look at this example. When you started from left side to the right side, we call this is addition or subtraction of a fraction. If you get started from right side to the left side, then we call this is a partial fraction decomposition. Today's lesson, we will talk about partial fraction decomposition. It's very useful for integral. This is the rule for fraction decomposition. Check the denominator. If a denominator is a linear function like ax plus b, then you will set up a plus b over ax plus b format. If a denominator is ax plus b times cx plus d format, then you will set up like this. If your factor is ax plus b squared, you will set up like this. For example, decompose the given rational function into partial fractions. Number 13. Focus on the denominator. We know ax minus 3, that's the format ax plus b. So we will write down equals a plus 2x minus 3. This is b. Then we got to do the operation of this fraction. You will get denominator multiply, that's 2x minus 3, then cross multiply. You will get the 2ax minus 3a plus b. Now let me write down over here. We got 2ax minus 3a plus b over 2x minus 3. Since these two rational functions are equal to each other, denominator is the same. Therefore, you can set up this x equals this x, and 13 equals this one. So we will set up system equation 2a equals -1. The coefficient equal to each other, and -3a plus b equals to 13. From first equation, we can get the a equals -1 over 2. And I plug into second equation, I got -3 times -1 over 2 plus b equals 13. We multiply, you will get 3 over 2 plus b equals 13. Then cross the river, change sign. Still, we do cross multiply. You will get denominator is 2. This multiply, you will get 26 minus 3. Get the 23. Therefore, this will be the decomposition for this rational function. That is this pattern. Need to plug in. A is -1/2 plus b, that's 23 over 2, then over 2x minus 3. You can move this 2 to this denominator. Then you can rewrite this -1/2 plus 4x minus 6. Top is 23. This will be the solution. Now let's go to 15. First of all, you have to factor. You will get 9x minus 7 denominator do the integer x, 2 over 2 over 2, negative 3. You will get the negative 1, negative 2. Reduce is negative 1 over 1. Then you put the x here. You will get the x minus 1 and 2x minus 1. You will set up like a over x minus 1 plus b over 2x minus 1. Let me write down over here a over x minus 1 plus b over 2x minus 1. Denominator multiply, then cross multiply. For a times 2x minus 1, that's 2ax minus a. For this to multiply, you will get the bx minus b. Denominator multiply, you will get the x minus 1, 2x minus 1. Then you will get 2ax minus a plus bx minus b. Then you will get, put the x together, so 2a plus bx minus a minus b. Denominator is the same, x minus 1 and 2x minus 1. Then it will be equals to this. Let me write down over here is 9x minus 7, x minus 1 and 2x minus 1. Look at the coefficient for x. This is a 9. This will be the coefficient for x. Therefore, 2a plus b equal to 9. And then for the constant, I got the negative 7, negative a minus b. I will set up negative a minus b equal to negative 7. You need to solve this system equation. Since we got the opposite variable, I add both sides. You will get the a equals, because this is gone, 2. Then I plug into the second equation, a equals 2. I got negative 2 minus b equal to negative 7. Negative b equals, I added 2. Cross reverting the sign, negative 5. So b equals 5. We need to change this a, here's a 2, and a b equals to 5. Rewrite these expressions. Your answer will be 2 over x minus 1 plus 2x minus 1. This is a 5. That's the final answer. Now let's go to number 19. 19 is this pattern. So you go to change into this one. We will get x plus 4 plus x plus 4 squared. This is a and this is b. Let's organize this one now. Put them together. I got the a x plus 4 plus b x plus 4 squared. In this case, I can multiply by x plus 4, top and bottom. Then you can do distributive property. You will get denominator is x plus 4 squared this time. You got the ax plus 4a plus b. Then we set up equal to this. X plus 4 squared, 3x plus 10. Then you can check coefficient of x will be 3. That means This is a 3. And a constant number will be 10. So we set up a equals 3. 4a plus b equals 10. Now I plug a equals to 3 to the second equation. You will get the 4 times 3 plus b equals 10. Then you solve this. This is a 12, so b equals 10 minus 12 equal to negative 2. Now we got a equals 3 and b equals negative 2. Then the final answer will be 3 over x plus 4. For this negative 2, I can put the negative sign before this fraction. That is 2 over x plus 4 squared. This will be the final answer.